It is often thought that treatment of diseases like cancer, heart disorders, spinal cord injuries, stroke and head injury is impossible. Whenever people hear about such diseases, they get frustrated that there is no solution now. But the good news is that it is possible to treat such incurable diseases, and this technique is stem cell therapy. Stem cell is the world's #1 discovery of this age. Our body is made up of many cells. Every cell has its own function. Stem cells are such cells which, after splitting, take full form again. From these cells, almost any part of the body can be made up. Stem cells are building blocks that play an important role in cellular renewal and regeneration, but they become less potent over time. Most of the cells in our body lose function with age. Everyone has special cells called adult stem cells which are needed to rejuvenate damaged and old tissues, but adult stem cells are also aging. Nowadays, due to increasing pollution, adulterated foodstuff, harmful chemicals in fruits and vegetables, every person's cell has become weak. Those who look healthy outside, their cells have become weak too. Due to weakening of cells, the risk of chronic diseases has increased. But with the help of stem cells, weaker cells can be cured. Did you know that plant stem cells can also provide us with the same stem cells? Fruits and plants are sources of universal cells that can increase the longevity of our skin's stem cells, renew dormant cells, repair damage, and regenerate healthy cells. They also defend against harmful ultraviolet, oxidative, and environmental stresses. Our team of scientists and researchers developed a novel plant cell culture technology to extract out stem cells from rare plants and fruits. Presenting Keva Triple Stem Cell Drops, which contains a unique blend of ingredients that can help to prevent the premature aging of the cells and promote renewal of body cells. Keva Triple Stem Cell is formed by a new approach by combining nature and science through a technique to extract raw materials from plants. Keva Triple Stem Cell Drops is formulated using internationally acclaimed ingredients which include Melis domestica, solar vitis, acai berries, cranberry fruit extract, cordyceps sinensis, schizophyllum commune, chest tree fruit extract, vitis agnus castus. Melis domestica is a rare Swiss apple, Utmiler spot lober, found in the greens of Switzerland, stem cell of which can help in skin cell regeneration. After harvesting, it stays fresh for 4 to 5 months. The presence of phytochemicals and potent antioxidants in apple fights oxidative stress that plays a vital role in preventing cancer and premature aging of the cells. It maintains the total cholesterol and triglyceride levels within normal range, which is very important for a healthy heart. Solar vitis. The rare Gamay Cantulier Fix grape is originated from Burgundy region of France, which contains extremely high level of anthocyanin. It is rich in antioxidants which helps to protect skin from free radicals generated by UV radiation, able to protect epithelial stem cells in the skin from aging and UV radiation. It makes your skin young and glowing always. Acai berry is the richest known source of potent antioxidants like anthocyanins and omega-3 fatty acids. Acai is also a powerhouse of nutrients and has an almost perfect composition of essential amino acids with an abundance of valuable trace minerals and micronutrients. Acai berry's antioxidant content is 5 times more than ginkgo and 33 times more than red wine. Cranberry fruit extract. It helps to prevent urinary tract infection, respiratory disorders, kidney stones, cancer, and heart disease. It is also beneficial in preventing stomach disorders and diabetes, as well as gum diseases like dental plaque. Cordyceps sinensis, loaded with natural ability to fight free radicals, infections, and inflammation. Cordyceps are impressive disease-fighting mushrooms that have been used for centuries to reduce symptoms of respiratory disorders, coughs, colds, liver damage, and much more. Cordyceps helps to treat sexual dysfunction in men, improves stamina and libido. Caesophilum commune. It possesses unique polysaccharides which are anti-cancer and immunostimulating. The specific effect of these polysaccharides is the activation of macrophages and T lymphocytes, stimulation of interferon and an enhancement of cell-mediated immune response. Chest tree fruit extract, Vitis agnus castus. It contains alkaloids and flavonoids as well as substances that are precursors of steroidal hormones. These help to control the symptoms of menopause, menstrual cramps, and helps in menstrual disorders. All these ingredients make this product a powerful formula having multiple health benefits. This herbal blend helps to detoxify the body so that various harmful toxins are flushed out from the body. In today's world, no one is able to provide complete nutrition to the body, and thus Keva Triple Stem Cell drops helps to fulfill the nutritional requirements of the body throughout all stages of life. Keva Triple Stem Cell drops helps to boost the immunity of body against various antigens which cause harmful effects on body. It helps to boost the cellular energy production of the cells, which helps the body to restore more amount of energy. It helps to control chronic inflammation and oxidative stress in blood vessels, which is helpful in preventing strokes and cardiac arrest. It helps to control the glycemic index of the body, which helps to control diabetes and related symptoms and also controls the levels of insulin. It improves neurological health, helps to improve vision and also reduces degenerative eye disorders, helps to balance the level of the hormones. This helps to combat with postmenopausal symptoms, leukorrhea, PCOS, PCOD, and also helps to cope up with menstrual related symptoms. It aids in constipation and digestion, helps in boosting the metabolic rate and helps to shed the extra fat of body at a faster rate. It helps to boost the collagen levels in skin and also helps to treat serious skin ailments. It contains antioxidants which helps to neutralize the damaging effect of free radicals. These free radicals cause the mutation in the DNA which leads to the formation of cancer cells. The stem cells present in this product are known to stop cancer cells from forming and spreading. Keva Triple Stem Cell Drops is a natural product formulated with a Swiss quality formula. It is halal and kosher certified, produced under GMP guidelines, having more than 100 clinical trials and processed with nanotechnology for faster and optimum absorption. Dosage: take 10 drops twice a day in the morning and evening on an empty stomach or half an hour before meal.